Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to block dangerous downloads in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Microsoft Edge includes built-in protection called Microsoft Defender a Smart Screen, which helps block malicious websites and unsafe file downloads. So let's get started. First, open Edge browser and then click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select settings. After that, in the left sidebar, click on privacy, search and services. On the right, click on security, and on the right side in the top you will find this one option that says protect from harmful sites and downloads. Turn this one toggle on. After that, you will see another toggle switch that says block potentially unwanted apps. Turn this one also on. That's it. Now Microsoft Edge will automatically warn you or block dangerous and suspicious downloads before they can harm your system. This helps protect your computer from malware and unsafe files. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.